Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. So let's get started. To draw a cute rabbit, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right across and draw another circle. So say about right here. And let's come in here and I'll make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that the eye's in, let's come to the edge right here. And I'm just going to put a soft curve right here, right underneath. Just to anchor the eyes. And then let's come to the top and say about right here, I'll draw a rabbit's brow. So about right here, I'm going to bring a curve down and just zigzag a little bit right here and connect. So same thing on the other side. So right here, curve down, zigzag, and connect. I think they're black, right? I forgot. I'm just going to go ahead and shade it in so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his big nose. So right between the eyes, right about here, I'll draw a big curve right in the center. And I'm going to round it off and bring it to the center and up. There. And then let's see here, right underneath his nose, let's draw a curve for his smile. So say about right here, I'm going to start with a curve, comes down, and let's go up. Right underneath his nose. Okay, so then now let's draw his face. I know it looks pretty weird right now, right? So let's come to where the top of his eyes are. So say about right here, I'll just give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw a curve out. So same thing here. So say about here. So we're going to start to frame his face. And in this area, I'm going to come out and just draw maybe like 2 zigzags and come in to connect to his face. So same thing here, just 2 zigzags maybe, 2, about right there. Bring in a curve and we're going to go ahead and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come in here so it doesn't look so weird. We're going to come in this space right here where the nose is, and I'm going to go right underneath the eye and come around a curve. So same thing here, about right here, curve a little bit and round it off. And let's see here. And his whiskers, of course. So in this area, and come out right here and pop out 2 whiskers, and same thing here. Okay, starting to come together, right? Kind of. Let's bring this up a tiny bit more. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the top of his head. So I'm going to bring this up around his brow, about right there, and I'll draw a tuft of fur right here. So 2 little zigzags and bring it back right down to connect. Okay, so now his ears is starting to come together. Okay, so about right here and say here. And go ahead and go up with a curve. Nice and high. So about right there. Round off the tip. Bring it back down. So then in the space right here, draw some detail. Come right here. And out. So on this side, we're just going to flop it down a tiny bit. So we're just going to give it a curve. So here and here, about the same thickness. And once again, come out. About right here. Round off the tip. And in. So then same thing here. Come down. And out. There. Okay, finally kind of looks like it, right? Hopefully. Let's see. Looks like his head is really thin here, huh? So I'll bring this out a little bit more. There. Kind of fixed it, hopefully. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his body. So I'm going to come right here, center with his neck, give him a little neck, and then we're going to pop out some shoulders that come out. There. So I'm just going to imagine this coming down, so kind of like right here, where the armpits would be. So about right here, so just following this, and about right here, and go ahead and draw a curve. So as a line, it comes out, it's going to get wider. And about right there, I'll bring it in. Bring it in about right here. And from there, I'm going to stop and come out. So come out, first foot up and down. So same thing here, up and down. So then right in the center, so just imagine it's coming out, I'm just going to bring this, so I'll give myself a point about right here. I'm going to bring his foot in and in. So same thing on the other side. And let's come in here for some details. Just draw me 2 curves. So we know that they're feet. And so then let's come right back in here. And I'm going to follow my outside. And about right here, just add some zigzags. So it looks like fur. And here as well. And connect. And then right in the center, we're going to split it up right there. Now for his arms. So we're going to have them on his hip. So right here, we come out and down. And just bring this out right here, about in this elbow area. We're going to give it some fur. Bring it in, curve it out, and in. So same thing on the other side. So let's start with this part right here. So I'm just going to drag this point across so I know where to end. Just like the other side. Right there. And then once again, bow right here. Fur. Bring it in. And out. There, finally done. Hopefully that looks like a rabbit here from Winnie the Pooh. So I'll come in here really quickly so it doesn't look like too big of a mess. And just use my whiteout pen here. to fix all my boo-boos. So right here on the mouth especially, I just want a thin line. There, much better, right? Just the thin line made such a huge difference. And once you color in the nose, it all come together. So I really hope I made drawing rabbit here from Winnie the Pooh fun and easy. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.